guys, welcome to my channel. What you're seeing here is basically me in my garage uninstalling Christmas lights that I put up like a year or two ago, rolling them up here. But anyway, I'm taking them down so I can put up these Barrina lights that I got off of Amazon. I got an 8-pack, I think it was for like $54, but check out the install. At the end I'll go over some things I like about them and some other things I didn't like. Thanks for watching. Alright, so it's a couple days later. I took down all the Christmas tree lights and I started putting up the new Barrina lights that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to try to get the lights up today, finish wiring them, and if I can, I'm going to put them in 2 stages, like be able to turn half on at once. So check this out, it'll be in time lapse. So the lights are all up at this point. I'm kind of just cleaning up, testing them, and some of the things I did not like about this light kit is the hardware was trash. I had to go to Lowe's and buy new screws because they just kept stripping, and also the short cords that everything came with. But other than that, they're bright and they're good. So here's some before and some after shots.